Hi, I'm Jordan Metelsky, and I'm a neuroscientist at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on bossdb.org, and then I'll show you how to set up a coding environment so that you can download and upload data using Python. Before I continue, I should mention that you don't need an account to access public data. If you want to see what datasets you can already access, head over to bossdb.org/projects. If you want to upload your own data to BossDB, or you want to share private data with somebody, keep watching. I'm going to head over to api.bossdb.io. Here, I'll be presented with the option to either sign in or register as a new user. You can use whatever username and email you like. If you're new to the BossDB web panel, I would definitely recommend taking the tour. The tour is available from the upper right menu bar. Let's look at all of the datasets that we have access to. I'm going to click on Manage Resources to see a list of collections. Here, I can see a list of all of the public datasets hosted on BossDB. When I upload my own data, I'll be able to see it in this list. Obviously, other researchers' private datasets aren't visible to me here unless they've shared them with me. In another video, I'll show you how to create a new collection, experiment, and channel and upload your own volumetric data to the BossDB. But for now, let's just grab our Authentication Token. This authorization token allows us to upload and download our own private data using Python. To access the token, I'll go to the top right menu bar and click on my own username. In the drop-down menu, I'll click on API Token. You'll see that I don't have an API token yet. To generate a new token, I can click on, you guessed it, Generate Token. Anyone with this API token can read and write to your private datasets, so you should keep it safe like a password. If your token falls into the wrong hands, you can always come back to this page and click Revoke Token and generate a new one. In order to use this private token securely with the BossDB Python library, I'll create a new file in my home directory /.intern. The contents should look like this. I'm going to save this to the file path listed on the screen here. If you're on a Windows machine, replace this with your user home directory. Now that I've saved my private BossDB token to disk, I can access my public and private datasets from Python. If you have any questions about accessing BossDB data from Python, check out the documentation on GitHub. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, or you'd like a hand uploading your own dataset to BossDB, please reach out to us. We're very excited to help you get started with BossDB.